Are you unable to find the right accommodation in London? Let us help you with a stylish student house that will become your comfort home. Introducing Dean House, one of London's most elite and elegant student residences that offers a genuinely unique experience. There are a variety of elegant studios and apartments available, all well furnished with all the amenities one can ask for. Studying requires a great amount of concentration, so it's a study desk with ample space in each room for you to study distraction-free. When you want to distress, you can head to the outside courtyard area that feels like your own garden, or best, walk outside the apartment and explore popular bars, restaurants, and cafes in your area. On weekends, you can take a short drive and explore popular museums, theaters, and tons of attractive places around the city. One of the benefits of staying at Dean House is that this property is near many universities and colleges. Within a short walking distance, you can find Lewisham Southwark College and Amos London International School. So, what are you waiting for? Head to amberstudent.com and book your place today. If you want to explore other student accommodations in London, you can check out our other videos.